Hey my beauties, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much Ashimary for sending me this amazing unit. So as you can see, the packaging was amazing and they gave me some gifts, which I love. And isn't this little cute bag so cute? So I'm just gonna let you guys see all the little cute goodies it came with, and then we're gonna come back for the initial review on the hair. Okay, so they sent me over a 24-inch highlighted wig and the highlights were really bright. I was actually kind of nervous to install this, but I was like, okay, the hair is super soft and it kind of gave me like a little light yaki texture. It was so thick and full and I was like, wow, this is beautiful. And of course it came with 4 combs on the inside with adjustable straps. And guys, this lace, was given. This is a transparent lace, and can you guys just see how beautiful this lace is? Like, oh my gosh, Ashimary, you guys did your thing on this wig. Hey my beauties, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see in the beginning of the video, I was sent this beautiful unit from, I don't really know how to pronounce their name, I'm so sorry, but I think it's pronounced Ashimary. Not sure, but they're a really good company and they sent me this beautiful unit. Guys, look at these highlights. Let's just get right into the hair deets really quick, and then I'm gonna jump into my initial thoughts on this hair, how it took heat and everything. So on their website, this is called their customized blonde Balayage on blonde hair transparent 13x4 lace frontal wig. And they sent me a 24-inch 180 density, and the price of this hair is actually on sale right now. I think it's on sale for $276. Before it was $411, and they're having a sale, a big sale. This wig is only $276, y'all. When I tell y'all, when I got this wig, my first initial thoughts, I think I already said it in the beginning of the video, but I'm gonna say it again. I was like, wow, like it had like this like not like super silky texture, because y'all know when y'all do color, like, you know how sometimes girls do color and it's like too shiny and it don't really look right. Look at this. This is like perfect. It's kind of reminds me a little bit of like light yaki. And I went over it with a flat iron. All I did was just spray the wig down with got to be, tie it down, put it in the middle part, put some concealer and just trimmed it up a little bit in the front, put some layers and just straightened it. And look how beautiful this hair is, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. And one thing I can say is that normally, sometimes, not all times, but when you get like highlighted wigs from companies, like the highlights is like kind of like the line is too straight, but not on this wig. Like you can see that it's a really good, they did a really good job on highlighting it. It's so funny because my husband was like, oh nah, that wig is nice. And I told y'all, sometimes, I'm not gonna tell y'all my husband's like response on every wig, but I'm gonna tell y'all he likes this wig, guys. And if you know, if you get your husband's approval, then it's a nice wig. I went to the store, right? I went to the grocery store, and outside the weather was like a little misty or whatever. So I was like, okay, this is the perfect test to see if this hair is good or not. Did not have a hoodie on. I did not have an umbrella on. Nothing. I went to the grocery store and I came back, and literally I didn't even touch a flat iron before I did this video again. And look, still good. But yeah, I really don't have too much to say. If you are interested in purchasing this wig, the link will be in the description with the discount code. You know, I got y'all, okay? And they also have like so many other wigs on their site and stuff. Like they have so many wigs, like it's so much to choose from. Oh my gosh, they have pink, blonde, auburn, black, customized wigs, 250 density wigs, like all types of stuff. And they're really good company, very professional. As you can see, their packaging was A1. I love that. They gave me some gifts, And yes guys, I would give this hair company a 10 out of 10, and I would recommend you guys to go shop with them. Go shop with Ashimary. Thank you so much again, Ashimary, for sending me this beautiful unit, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.